We've got Canadian geese, we've got eagles, we've got maples, we've got 2021 dragons, we've got 2020 Britannias. And Reuben, what are we doing with it today?
We're selling them. We are on the Sunday of Black Friday, part of the Black Friday deals we've been running. And even though we're filming this past, it's Sunday, Oscar. I'm telling you now, it's Sunday.
Okay, we came in on Sunday.
That's it. We came in on the weekend.
Where's my overtime?
Yeah, you get it. Yeah. But we have some buyback silver to sell.
That's right. We're going to be selling it for Black Friday on a Sunday, as you said.
Yes.
In packs of 4. Everything here is a buyback. You can see some of them are yellow, some of them are toned, some of them are scratched. A lot of them are in great condition, but it doesn't matter. It's a lucky dip situation. You might get 4 Britannias, you might get 4 eagles, you might get 1 of each, you might get 2 of the maples, and it's in packs of 4 ounces, if I'm not mistaken.
Yep, packs of 4 ounces. That doesn't necessarily mean 4 coins, because yeah, we've got some, some 2 ounce ones in there. There's even some half ounces we've got somewhere as well. So it will be made up of 4 ounces somehow. But yeah, we're going to keep this one quick because we think they're going to go quick. There is actually some more than what we've just got here, but yeah. Thought we'd update you all. It's going to be plus $4 per coin.
It's usually spot plus 5, isn't it? Spot plus 4, and these are better coins than usual, so isn't that fantastic?
Exactly. So best of both worlds. So it's plus $4 an ounce. So yeah, that'll be 16 over the entire pack. And yeah,
it's an entire lucky dip situation. We're not going to pick it out for certain people. We're not taking requests or anything like that. We're just going to get a 4-pack, put 4 random coins in, look away. And
4 random ounces. Again, it could be 2 ounces or some other some other combination. But yeah, click on the links below and secure your 4-pack now.
Get excited. Thank you for watching.